Good afternoon, everybody. It's Saturday now. It's Saturday, February 10th. Weather is a-changing. We got those two storms coming in I told you about. So what I did this morning was work on rain collection, which will be used to top off tanks. Assist aquaponics later down the road. Gotta be careful here. I've already smashed my ankle once today. Anyway, yeah, I got in here and I leveled out the pallet, first pallet. I have one tote, and I might order a couple more next week after I see how this works out. And I don't know, I can't do much more. There's my foot again. Than one more here until I get some of this removed. But yeah, we got the pallet leveled out, cage set, threw the tank in there, made sure the valve's closed, and then what I did is I drilled a hole using a 2.5-inch hole saw. Gives me a little bit of movement there if needed, and if I ever decide to take it off. I haven't glued anything in. We'll have to see. It probably will leak a little bit. I'm not too concerned about it. It's only rainwater. Let me walk around the other side here. I just noticed that one of my pipes was a little bit crooked here. Now, let's hope it's no problem. Okay, so what I did, let's go ahead and start out from the top here. Put the extension on the rain gutter with a downspout, and it's not connected there at all. It's not connected right there. What that is a 2-inch to 3-inch rubberized, whatever, rubber with stainless steel clamps reducer. And at the 3-inch side, I don't know if you can see it right there, but I put screen in there and then clamped it with that 3-inch clamp. In California, rain collection, it's a law, you know, here's the government getting involved, but I guess it's a good thing. You have to have some type of screened filter to screen off stuff. I mean, that's actually a law I read about. Anyway, it comes down there, elbows in there, elbows down, and then I didn't do a typical first flush system because I did some reading in different articles by quote-unquote professional rain collectors, and it's actually not recommended. It can cause a lot of problems. I don't know. It just said it wasn't really necessary. It wasn't recommended. And some of the theories was that if you have a lot of series of storms, you're going to waste a lot of rainwater in that first flush when it's not necessary in the second, third storm or whatever. And they recommended manually first flush. So that's what I kind of did here is in here I have a bypass valve or valve. So if it's raining, it's the first storm in a while, it's in the open position right now, I'll leave it open. And you know, the first little bit of the rainstorm will wash everything out, and then I'll have to come out here and close it. And then when it's closed, the rainwater will go this way. It can go down into the tank, and then down the road I'll have several tanks connected, and all connected through the 2-inch spigot here, so they're all connected. The storm gets to be too much, which is LOL here in San Diego, it will start to overflow and come back out this way, down, and then out. And I'll eventually have probably a flexible pipe or something, because I showed you guys in another video earlier. I do have this pipe here, which is buried. And there's a grill there, and goes along the fence here to our retaining wall and out into the street. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I still have to this valve is pretty cool. I can actually, I saw somewhere, I don't know how you do it, but you can actually pop off the handles on these. Maybe I saw a different video. It feels like it can come off. But anyway, this one was actually cheaper than the regular old 2-inch ball socket with the 2 slips on each side. It was actually cheaper than that one, so by $5. And I'm gonna go ahead and come back and apply white caulk in here and cover up the holes so moisture doesn't get into the walls in my boo-boo hole there. So that's it. Pretty simple. And down the road, if I decide I do need a first flush system, I can still put it in here and take this and put it directly, you know, take this off here, I guess, take this whole section out, rotate this out, and put the first flush there if I want to down the road. So, but we'll see. We'll see. And then I'll have these things all piped together. As many as I want here. I gotta watch my steps. I don't smash my ankle again. And then I'll have the final one piped out. There's my finger. Piped over here and into the sump tank with a float switch. That water's low. Yeah, I have to fill this up so the pump isn't dry. And that's the whole reason why I need this. So pump isn't dry. So yeah, we'll get back to work on this tomorrow. I have to go to my daughter's performance and I'm just gonna rest today. So I will talk to you guys later.